Hey foodies, welcome to CookingShooking. Today we are making this trending pasta recipe. It is very simple and easy to make, literally no fuss, and the taste is mind-boggling good. Let's begin cooking. Alright, so take a baking pan or a casserole. In this we'll add cherry tomatoes. These are around 250 grams. I've just removed the stem and I've washed it really well. Along with this we'll add some veg. Normally this ain't there in the trending videos. Here I've got half a carrot sliced, a little bit of green capsicum and a little bit of red capsicum as well. I'm adding them in. Now to make it finger looking good, here I've got garlic cloves. Just smash it once, add it in. These are 5 garlic cloves. No need to chop them. If you chop them, they can burn easily. Along with this we'll add oil. This is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To season it, I'm just adding some salt, which is as per taste, and a little bit of black pepper powder. That's it. Now we will give it a stir and make some space in the center. Just ensure the salt is really well combined with the tomatoes. So here I have carved out some space in the center, and in the trending videos they usually add feta cheese, which is hard to find here in India, and the ones that we get, when I tried it, they remain crumbly even after heating. So processed cheese to our rescue. I've tried it a couple of times and this melts beautifully and the taste is fantastic. You can just take 3 cheese cubes and place it something like this. We will just add a little bit of olive oil over it and season it with some salt and black pepper powder. Now this is ready to bake. So the oven is preheated at 200 degrees centigrade. Both the top and the bottom rods are on. We will place it in and bake it for 25 to 28 minutes. So while our sauce is cooking for the pasta, here we are going to heat some water. This is 3 cups of water which I am heating up on high flame. And talking about pasta, here I have mini penne rigate pasta. I am just taking a cup of this pasta for this quantity, which will be good for 2 people. To the boiling water we will add some salt along with our pasta, and we have to cook the pasta until it is cooked. Should take about 6 to 7 minutes. And just like that, time is up, our pasta is done and looks great. Time to strain now. Mini penne rigate pasta looks great guys, isn't it? Now we'll just add some cold water over it to stop the cooking process. And our pasta is done. Let's check on the cheese and tomato that we placed in. The cheese is browned from top, and what a timing guys. Let's get this out. The oven is stopped. Be careful, it might be hot. You can see the tomatoes are very well cooked. Now we have to turn this into a sauce. Nothing much to do guys, just get your spatula in and begin mixing it together. The tomatoes will leave out some of the juice and the melted cheese will get along with it to make our sauce. Try to mash up some of the tomatoes. Here you can see the center area where the cheese was, some is stuck, so we'll try to get that out and mix it really well. We have a beautiful color on the sauce, looks great isn't it? Smells great too, and honestly looks like we have spent a lot of time making this sauce, but the recipe is so easy guys. Now it's time to add the pasta. Along with the pasta, to make it tastier, here I have got some oregano seasoning. About a teaspoon I am adding it in, and to freshen things up, here I have got a few leaves of basil. Just tear them up and add it in, and now we have to mix it together. That's it. All the effort is done. Our pasta is done as well with the baked tomatoes and cheese. The taste is mind-boggling guys. Try it out. You will be a fan of this. Let me try it as well. So here I've got some for me. As I say it in every video, the effect is less, but this has to be one of the most delicious pasta recipe to make, especially if you take into consideration that there is literally like no fuss in making this. Do try it guys, and even the carrot is really well cooked. So once you try it, do share your feedback. I hope to see you soon with one more recipe. Which other trending recipe would you like me to make? Do comment down below. That's all for today. Bye.